Lesson 4. Value. What do we mean by value? Here we mean light and dark in your drawing. What values should you use? How you use light and dark depends on your subject and the story you want to tell. Try to draw the subject that you've been drawing in the series, except this time using light and dark as well. Well done! Now try to draw a scene based on the things you've been drawing in this series, except this time with light and dark values too. You can repeat these exercises as many times as you want, and if you're having trouble, as always, there is more information in the blog posts to help you. By understanding value, you have an extra dimension to improve your drawings and tell more interesting stories.